Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we will explore the Ishares Bitcoin Trust in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 17th of January, 2025, our system has identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.5. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Unfortunately, the exchange-traded fund has not met expectations, experiencing a loss of 3.42% thus far. This equates to an average loss of 0.31% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further increase within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 20.16% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 3.04% to 38.34%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 53.65% over the next year, with potential returns between 5.11% and 69.17%. This corresponds to a projected price range of $60.52 to $97.41 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust features the headline, Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF upgraded to buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price decreased by 0.225%, moving from $57.71 to $57.58. During this trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 8.28%, ranging from a low of $53.69 to a high of $58.14. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days and is down by 3.42% over this period. Additionally, the trading volume increased by 32 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This trend may signal an early warning, suggesting that the risk might rise slightly in the coming days. In total, 73 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $4.18 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $61.75, while the lowest price stood at $24.13. Currently, the price is 6.75%, or $4.17, below the 52-week high of $61.75, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. In recent days, Bitcoin has faced notable volatility, particularly following the introduction of tariffs by the Trump administration. This development has pushed Bitcoin downward, with reports indicating an overall decline of approximately 5% this week. Investors are keenly observing the situation, especially as the market historically trends favorably for Bitcoin in February. With an impressive win rate of 90% and an average gain of 14.4% over the past decade for this month, there exists potential for a rebound. The renewed attention on cryptocurrencies coincides with President Trump reinstating crypto reforms and establishing a new Securities and Exchange Commission cryptocurrency task force. This regulatory shift may instill confidence in the market, especially for Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, which have been gaining traction. Furthermore, significant players like MicroStrategy continue to aggressively accumulate Bitcoin, reflecting increasing institutional interest. Despite the current fluctuations, technical indicators suggest that Bitcoin could still be on a bullish path. Factors such as fixed supply and energy-intensive mining are creating a supportive price floor, which may present long-term investors with ripe opportunities. The potential reduction in volatility, as proposed by industry experts, coupled with rising adoption, could lead to sustainable growth in the cryptocurrency market, positively impacting IBIT's stock price in both the short and long term. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the exchange-traded fund, indicating a positive forecast. Should the exchange-traded fund continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average around $58.47. Conversely, if there is a decline, the exchange-traded fund will find support from the long-term average approximately at $56.70. A breakthrough through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 17, 2024, and so far it has declined by 5.19%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the exchange-traded fund should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence-divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 31 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 11 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 78 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 76 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $52.13 and $51.04. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support just below today's level at $52.13. If this support is broken, then the next level from accumulated volume will be at $51.04 and $43.40. This exchange-traded fund has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the fund moved $4.45 between high and low, which is 8.28%. For the last week, the exchange-traded fund has had daily average volatility of 4.19%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ishares Bitcoin Trust is at $58.79. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $52.13. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $55.42, reflecting a decrease of 3.76%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily movements, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 30 days ago. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold or accumulate position to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 4th of February, we expect the Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open lower by $1.11, starting trading at $56.47. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly encourage you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, You are acknowledging and accepting responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.